So here we have a interesting 1969 Mercedes Fire engine, which has been converted into a motorhome. And oh, sorry, it's in the process of being converted into a motorhome because there's still work that needs to be done on it. Here, we'll just have a quick look first of all at the cabin. So yeah, so that looks 1969 written all over it, but it's in very nice condition. In fact, that cabin's far better condition than mine, which is 30 years younger. So very good. But obviously it doesn't, the habitation part is not actually connected to the front part. And there you've got, so you can see the Mercedes plaque down there. So I'll take you into the back. So so this is Jimmy, and here it says vehicle. So what's he, oh, let's come right up inside. So what you've got here, you've got this big bed at the moment, but you still need one or two things perhaps. How about getting a shower in? Are you going to do that?
A shower, it's no. It's more like a promotional vehicle.
Yeah.
So not that much of traveling is done with that one in the future. Most likely only for a weekend or so, some such. So in the back there should be a bed. This one's just a
temporary.
It's also convertible, so I can put up the table to have a nice sitting area here. So that's more like the promotion thing where I get the customers inside and just have a good talk with them. And this was actually an old fire truck, so that's why it's in good condition. So I didn't see the street that much. It only has about around 30,000 kilometers on the engine, so it's actually brand new.
Well, yeah.
So the thing here back here was actually only up to this tall. So we had to make it a little bit more roomy.
Yeah, so you've done this cabriolet bit here at the top.
Yeah, this cabriolet is actually from a Citroen C4. CV4.
Wow.
So it's old parts from another
vehicle. But you've got a sink in here and cooker.
If I want to have some more gas.
Oh yeah, sure.
Gas, but actually I don't know if any.
You've never used it?
No, and I think I will never use it.
Okay, because you've got this stove, which you can see in another video. This very clever stove, and obviously Jimmy works for the it's his product manufacturing these stoves, which you can see elsewhere, which is very warm. And the objective of this fire truck or this motorhome is to go to events such as this to demonstrate this heater here. Although of course, I mean, you can, if you wanted a cup of tea or something, you can just knock it on the gas. You wouldn't have to fire up the whole oven and then wait for an hour or something for it to get warm, but or whatever it takes. But anyway, you've got a bit more storage down here, and presumably that is a fridge.
Yes, that's a fridge.
It doesn't look like a fridge, but and you've got plenty of storage space around here. Let's have a look around the outside as well. And so there's some cooking which has just been done in the stove, and because I noticed at the back there was this door here which appears to be open at present, and you've got a handle from the 60s, and in here we've got the beer. So we've got a lot of storage area there at the back. Great. And this the Erzberg, so Leipzig, and great. Let's have a look at from the outside. Get a view from here. That's a very nice. That's a very nice and original conversion. The chimney is for the fire. I must point out, it's not. That's a brand new chimney. It folds down as well, so it won't get in the way. But how about that for an extremely original RV?